Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A10s to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both of them. After that, you need to click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Nextly, open it. Then click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then go with receive on an Android and send on Samsung. Now you need to click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with this one photo. Choose send and tap on get it. From here we have the ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon over here on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time, and then point your device's camera at the QR code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always just make sure by going into Samsung folder, click in My Files and selecting in my case images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!